This question is a coordinate geometry question. It says in the standard XY coordinate plane, AB has a midpoint of C. If point C has coordinates of 3, 4, and point A has coordinates of -1, 6, then what are the coordinates of point B? For these types of questions, it's often nice to get a picture drawn so you have a visual of what's happening. So this tells us that there's a line AB. So from point A to point B, don't worry about really what it looks like in terms of slope. Just get a line drawn, A to B. That's our line. And we know that in the middle, the midpoint, is point C. So that would be point C. Okay, and we're also told that the coordinates of A are -1, 6. And the coordinates of C are 3, 4. A few ways we can approach this, but let's just take a look at the x value. And if we do so, we see that A is at -1 and C is at 3. So point A is 4 to the left of point C, which means point B has to be 4 to the right of C. So if we're at 3 and we go 4 to the right, 3 plus 4 gives us an x value for point B of 7. If we take a look at our answers, that puts us down to these two choices. So now we just want to figure out the y value. Doing the same thing, point C as compared to point A. We notice A is 2 above point C. A is at 6, C is at 4, so A is 2 above, which means B must be 2 below. So 4 minus 2 gets us to 2, and therefore, with A being at -1, 6, and C being at 3, 4, we know that the coordinates of B are located at 7, 2, and we can find that in selection J.